Calumet Harbor. Nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, gusty showers and thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near O'Hare Airport to near Midway Airport to 13 nautical miles southwest of Hamlet Marina, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 45 knots. Source, automated measurements. A 40 knots wind gust was measured at Chicago O'Hare with the line of gusty showers and thunderstorms. Impact, small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor,
This thing still has WR100 playing.
Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hamlet Marina. Now here is the forecast.
That was weird.
This afternoon, partly cloudy with a 20%